I'm Irina from 2D02 and today I'll be presenting on floor finishes. These are the contents of the presentation. The first floor finish in my house is marble floor finish. Marble is a metamorphic stone and it is naturally formed from limestone with a small amount of impurity that imparts a distinct color to it. The second floor finish in my house is ceramic floor finish. These tiles are thin slabs of clay, water or other inorganic materials which are hardened at high temperatures in a kiln and usually coated with some kind of glaze. The third floor finish in my house is parquet floor finish. It is solid wood and when used as a flooring material, it is laid in a geometric pattern which is known as parquet. The living room in my house is made out of marble floor finish and these are some pictures of it. Marble floor finish looks nice and there are many different types of marble to choose from. They typically do not require changing and can last a lifetime. Marble can withstand high temperatures while staying cool to the touch. However, since stone is porous, it makes it easy to stain and will need regular polishing and sealing to protect it from damage. It is also prone to damage and expensive to install and maintain. The kitchen in my house is made out of ceramic floor finish and these are some pictures of it. Ceramic floor finish is water resistant and has a protective layer that sits on the material which will make it impenetrable to water and stains. It is also tough and the tiles are difficult to crack. It is easy to maintain as we can simply wipe them off the tile. However, it can be simply wipe them off the tile if there are stains. However, ceramic floor finishes are extremely hard which makes it uncomfortable to stand on, and how it feels hot or cold depends on the weather. It is also heavier which may not be appropriate choice for upper story installations, and doing so needs to get it checked with a qualified professional on the integrity of the structure. The study room in my house is made out of parquet floor finish and these are some pictures of it. It is aesthetically pleasing, durable, because it can handle heavy foot traffic without showing any signs of wear and tear. No maintenance and it's easy to install as they are usually glued to the subfloor with urethane-based adhesive. The disadvantages is that it is more prone to scratches as you can see in my picture. Parquet flooring doesn't hold up well against moisture and humidity, and there are limited refinishing options because in order to refinish a wooden floor, we need to get rid of the old finish by sanding down the material. However, since parquet flooring consists of multiple pieces of wood all arranged in a certain pattern, sanding them down individually can be a bit of a hassle. This is the floor plan of the first level which includes the marble and ceramic floor finish in the living room and kitchen. And this is the floor plan for the second level which has the parquet floor finish in the study room. And I've come to the end of my presentation. Thank you.